Imagine being stopped, detained, or even arrested, not because you did anything wrong, but simply because of the color of your skin. This is the harsh reality for many in Southern California, where a federal judge has just put a halt to what she describes as unconstitutional immigration raids targeting Latino communities. Federal Judge Mame E. Frimpong issued a temporary restraining order that blocks the Trump administration from carrying out indiscriminate immigration arrests in 7 counties, including major areas like Los Angeles and Ventura. This ruling follows a lawsuit filed by immigrant advocacy groups that accused ICE and Border Patrol agents of racial profiling, making warrantless arrests, and denying individuals access to legal representation. Judge Frimpong pointed to a mountain of evidence that federal agents violated the Fourth and Fifth Amendments, which protect against unreasonable searches and ensure due process. The implications of this ruling are profound. It challenges the very foundation of how immigration enforcement operates in this country. The Trump administration, however, denies any allegations of racial profiling. They argue that agents only consider a person's appearance as part of the broader context when making decisions. But let's be clear, this isn't just about appearances. It's about the systemic issues that allow racial profiling to persist, creating an environment of fear and mistrust within communities. ACLU attorney Mohammed Taisar called this ruling a critical victory, but he also cautioned that the fight is far from over. This case highlights a larger, ongoing battle in the U.S., the tension between national security and civil rights. Supporters of these raids argue that they are essential for deporting criminals and securing our borders. They claim that these operations are necessary for public safety. But what about the collateral damage? Critics argue that these raids terrorize communities, separate families, and violate fundamental constitutional rights. The fear of being arrested simply for existing in a certain space can shatter lives and disrupt entire neighborhoods. This ruling is a pivotal moment, but it raises important questions. How do we balance the need for security with the protection of civil liberties? Are we willing to sacrifice the rights of individuals for the sake of perceived safety? The answer to these questions will shape the future of U.S. immigration enforcement and the lives of countless individuals who call this country home. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's crucial to remember that the fight for justice and equality is ongoing. The implications of this ruling extend far beyond the courtroom. They resonate in the lives of everyday people who deserve to live without fear of unjust treatment. The conversation must continue, and we must remain vigilant in protecting the rights of all individuals, regardless of their background.